Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about the husband and wives of all the male and female wrestlers in AEW, All Elite Wrestling Company. Within AEW roster, there are a total of 173 wrestlers, both male and female. To find out which wrestlers are married or engaged, you will need to watch the entire video. Number 1. Chris Jericho. Chris Jericho's wife name is Jessica Lockhart. They got married on 30 July year 2000. The couple has been together for the past 24 years. And as of this year 2024, Chris Jericho is 53 years old. Number 2. Sammy Guevara. Sammy Guevara's wife name is Tay Melo. They tied the count on 7 August 2022. The couple has been together for 2 years now. And as of 2024, Sammy Guevara is 30 years old. Number 3. Miro. Miro's wife name is CJ Perry. They got married on 29 July 2016. The couple has been together for the past 9 years. And as of 2024, Miro is 38 years old. Number 4. Matt Hardy. Matt Hardy's wife name is Ruby Sky. They exchanged vows on 5th October 2013. The couple has been together for 12 years now, and as of 2024, Matt Hardy is 49 years old. Number 5. Jeff Hardy. Jeff Hardy's wife name is Beth Britt. They got married on 9 March 2011. The couple has been together for 15 years, and as of 2024, Jeff Hardy is 46 years old. Number 6. Malaika Blake. Malaika Blake's wife name is Zelina Vega. They got married on 20 November 2018. The couple has been together for 5 years now, and as of 2024, Malaika Blake is 38 years old. Number 7. Brian Cage. Brian Cage's wife name is Melissa Santos. They got married on 27 November 2016. The couple has been together for 7 years now, and as of 2024, Brian Cage is 40 years old. Number 8. Andrade. Andrade's wife name is Charlotte Flair. They tied the count on 27 May 2022. The couple has been together for 2 years now, and as of 2024, Andrade is 34 years old. Number 9. Adam Cole. Adam Cole's girlfriend name is Dr. Britt Baker. Adam Cole has not tied the count yet, but he has been in a relationship with Dr. Britt Baker since 2017. They have been together for 8 years now, and as of 2024, Adam Cole is 34 years old. Number 10. CM Punk. CM Punk's wife name is AJ Lee. They got married on 13 July 2014. The couple has been together for 10 years now, and as of 2024, CM Punk is 45 years old. Number 11. Athena. Athena's husband name is Matthew Palmer. They exchanged vows on 3rd November 2018. The couple has been together for 5 years now, and as of 2024, Athena is 35 years old. Number 12. Bryan Danielson. Bryan Danielson's wife name is Brie Bella. They got married on 11 April 2014. The couple has been together for the past 10 years, and as of this year, 2024, Bryan Danielson is 42 years old. Number 13. Sean Spears. Sean Spears' wife name is Casey Lee. They tied the count on 26 August 2019. The couple has been together for 5 years now, and as of 2024, Sean Spears is 43 years old. Number 14. Keith Lee. Keith Lee's wife name is Mia Yim. They got married on 5th February 2022. The couple has been together for 2 years now, and as of this year, 2024, Keith Lee is 39 years old. Number 15. Paul Wade. Paul Wade's wife name is Bess Katra Mados. They got married on 11 February 2002. The couple has been together for the past 22 years, and as of 2024, Paul Wade is 52 years old. Number 16. Buddy Matthews. Buddy Matthews' fiancée name is Rhea Ripley. They got engaged on 20 May 2022. The couple has been together for 2 years now, and as of this year, 2024, Buddy Matthews is 35 years old. Number 17. Aaron Solo. Aaron Solo fiancé name is Bailey. Aaron Solo got engaged to Bailey in year 2016, but they called off their engagement on 21st February 2021 after being together for 6 years. As of 2024, Aaron Solo is 37 years old. Number 18. John Moxley. John Moxley's wife name is Renee Paquette. They got married on 9 April 2017. The couple has been together for 7 years now, and as of this year 2024, John Moxley is 38 years old. Number 19. Jeff Jarrett. Jeff Jarrett's wife name is Karen Jarrett. They got married on 21st August 2010. The couple has been together for the past 14 years, and as of 2024, Jeff Jarrett is 56 years old. Number 20. The Blade. The Blade wife name is Laura Dennis. They tie count on 21st September 2013. The couple has been together for the past 11 years, and as of this year 2024, the Blade is 43 years old. Number 21. Hangman Page. Hangman Page's wife name is Amanda. They got married on 30 October 2016. The couple has been together for 7 years now, and as of 2024, Hangman Page is 32 years old. Number 22. MJF. MJF fiancé name is Naomi Rosenblum. They got engaged on 15 September 2022. The couple has been together for 2 years now, and as of 2024, MJF is 27 years old. Number 23. Kip Sabian. Kip Sabian's wife name is Penelope Ford. They got married on 3rd February 2021. The couple has been together for 3 years now, and as of 2024, Kip Sabian is 31 years old. Number 24. Samoa Joe. Samoa Joe's wife name is Jessica Sinoa. They tie count on 27 July 2007. The couple has been together for the past 17 years, and as of 2024, Samoa Joe is 44 years old. Number 25. Kristen Cage. Kristen Cage's wife name is Denise Hardman. They got married on 25th May 2001. The couple was together for 19 years, but they got divorced in 2020. As of 2024, Kristen Cage is 50 years old. Number 26. Sting. Sting's second wife name is Sabine Glenn. They got married on 20 August 2015. The couple has been together for 8 years now, and as of 2024, Sting is 64 years old. Number 27. Jake Hager. Jake Hager's wife name is Catalina White. They got married on 12 December 2010. The couple has been together for the past 13 years, and as of 2024, Jake Hager is 41 years old. Number 28. Mark Henry. Mark Henry's wife name is Jana Henry. They tie count on 24 April 2005. The couple has been together for the past 19 years, and as of 2024, Mark Henry is 52 years old. Number 29. Nick Aldis. Nick Aldis' wife name is Mickey James. They got married on 31st December 2015. The couple has been together for 8 years now, and as of 2024, Nick Aldis is 37 years old. Number 30. Cardiac Alexander. Cardiac Alexander's wife name is Big Soul. They got married on 30 June 2018. The couple has been together for 7 years now, and as of 2024, Cardiac Alexander is 34 years old. Number 31. Naomi. Naomi's husband name is Jimmy Uso. They got married on 16 January 2014. The couple has been together for the past 10 years, and as of 2024, Naomi is 36 years old. Number 32. Adam Copeland. Adam Copeland's wife name is Beth Phoenix. They got married on 30 October 2013. This marked Adam Copeland's third marriage. Both Adam Copeland and Beth Phoenix have been together for past 10 years, and as of 2024, Adam Copeland is 50 years old. Number 33, Zack Ryder. Zack Ryder wife name is Chelsea Green. They got married on 31st December 2021. The couple has been together for 2 years now, and as of 2024, Zack Ryder is 38 years old. Number 34, Darby Allin. Darby Allin wife name is Gigi Dolan. They got married on 21st November 2018. The couple was together for 2 years until 10 August 2020 when Darby Allin divorced Gigi Dolan. As of 2024, Darby Allin is 31 years old. Number 35, Kyle Fletcher. Kyle Fletcher girlfriend name is Sky Blue. Kyle Fletcher and Sky Blue has been in a relationship since year 2021, and as of 2024, Kyle Fletcher is 25 years old. Number 36, Ruby Soho. Ruby Soho boyfriend name is Jake Holmes. Ruby Soho has been in a relationship with Jake Holmes since year 2020, and as of 2024, Ruby Soho is 33 years old. Number 37, Tony Nese. Tony Nese's wife name is Liz Nese. They got married on 15 June 2016. The couple has been together for 8 years now, and as of 2024, Tony Nese is 38 years old. Number 38, Juice Robinson. Juice Robinson's wife name is Toni Storm. They got married on 17 June 2022. The couple has been together for 2 years now, and as of 2024, Juice Robinson is 34 years old. Number 39, Big Bill. Big Bill fiancée name is Lexi Nair. They got engaged on 10 June 2021. The couple has been together for 3 years now, and as of 2024, Big Bill is 37 years old. Number 40, John Morrison. John Morrison's wife name is Taya Valkyria. They got married on 1st June 2018. The couple has been together for 8 years now, and as of 2024, John Morrison is 44 years old. Number 40, John Morrison. John Morrison's wife name is Taya Valkyria. They got married on 1st June 2018. The couple has been together for 8 years now, and as of 2024, John Morrison is 44 years old. Number 41, Mandy Rose. Mandy Rose's fiancé name is Tino Sabatelli. They got engaged on 4th September 2022. The couple has been together for 1 year now, and as of 2024, Mandy Rose is 33 years old. Number 42, Cody Rhodes. Cody Rhodes' wife name is Brandy Rhodes. They got married on 12 September 2013. The couple has been together for the past 10 years, and as of 2024, Cody Rhodes is 38 years old. Number 43, Dustin Rhodes. Dustin Rhodes' wife name is Tarell Mary Reynolds. They got married on 22 June 2012. The couple has been together for past 12 years, and as of 2024, Dustin is 54 years old. Number 44, Saraya. Saraya's boyfriend name is Ronnie Radke. Saraya has been in a relationship with Ronnie Radke since 2018, and as of 2024, Saraya is 31 years old. Number 45, Peg. Peg's wife name is Nedley Satterley. They got married on 20 June 2015. The couple has been together for the past 9 years, and as of 2024, Peg is 37 years old. Number 46, Lee Johnson. Lee Johnson's wife name is Julia Hart. They got married on 13 October 2023. The couple has been together for the past 5 months, and as of 2024, Lee Johnson is 26 years old. Number 47, Matt Jackson. Matt Jackson's wife name is Dana Massey. They tied count on 11 November 2008. The couple has been together for the past 15 years, and as of 2024, Matt Jackson is 38 years old. Number 48, Dex Harwood. Dex Harwood's wife name is Maria Nicopolis. They got married on 6 January 2012. The couple has been together for past 12 years and as of 2024, Dex Harwood is 39 years old. Number 49. Jay White. Jay White wife name is Savannah Prince. They got married on 6 May 2022. The couple has been together for the past 2 years and as of 2024, Jay White is 31 years old. Number 50. Steve Macklin. Steve Macklin wife name is Diona Purazo. They got married on 10 November 2022. The couple has been together for the past 1 year and as of 2024, Steve Macklin is 38 years old. Number 51. Will Ospreay. Will Ospreay girlfriend name is Alice Olivia Walker. Will Ospreay and Alice Olivia Walker has been in a relationship since 2019 and as of 2024, Will Ospreay is 30 years old. Number 52. Brody Lee. Brody Lee wife name is Sandy Saini. They got married on 13 February 2011. The couple had been together for 10 years until 26 December 2020 when Brody Lee tragically passed away due to idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis disease at the age of 41 years old. Number 53. Dan Hosen. Dan Hosen wife name is Lauren Charles. They got married on 16 November 2018. The couple has been together for the past 5 years and as of 2024, Dan Hosen is 33 years old. Number 54. Josh Matthews. Josh Matthews' wife name is Madison Ryan. They got married on 3rd August 2015. The couple has been together for the past 9 years and as of 2024, Josh Matthews is 43 years old. Number 55. Ellen Angels. Ellen Angels' girlfriend name is Brooke Havoc. Ellen Angel has been in a relationship with Brooke Havoc since 2021. As of 2024, Ellen Angel is 26 years old. Number 56. Jack Perry. Jack Perry girlfriend's name is Anna J. Jack Perry has been in a relationship with Anna J since June 2021. As of 2024, Jack Perry is 26 years old. Number 57. Billy Gunn. Billy Gunn wife name is Paula Henny Soap. They got married on 24 January 2009. The couple has been together for the past 13 years and as of this year 2024, Billy Gunn is 60 years old. Number 58. Mike Bennett. Mike Bennett wife name is Maria Canellis. They tied the count on 10 October 2014. The couple has been together for the past 10 years and as of this year 2024, Mike Bennett is 38 years old. Number 59. Roderick Strong. Roderick Strong wife name is Mariana Schaefer. They got married on 7 November 2018. The couple has been together for the past 6 years and as of year 2024, Roderick Strong is 40 years old. Number 60. Ethan Page. Ethan Page wife name is Amanda Waltz. They got married on 3rd August 2018. The couple has been together for the past 5 years and as of this year, Ethan Page is 34 years old. Number 61. Jay Lethal. Jay Lethal wife name is Sokal Wall. They exchanged vows on 12 March 2017. The couple has been together for the past 8 years and as of this year 2024, Jay Lethal is 38 years old. Number 62. Parker Boudreaux. Parker Boudreaux wife name is Isabella Boudreaux. They got married on 29 March 2022. The couple has been together for the past 2 years and as of this year 2024, Parker Boudreaux is 26 years old. Number 63. Brandon Cutler. Brandon Cutler wife name is Marissa Cutler. They tie the count on 26 February 2020. The couple has been together for the past 4 years and as of this year 2024, Brandon Cutler is 33 years old. Number 64. Lance Archer. Lance Archer wife name is Tessa Molzan. They got married on 13 January 1995. The couple has been together for the past 29 years and as of this year 2024, Lance Archer is 47 years old. Number 65, Johnny Silver. Johnny Silver wife name is Amanda Huber. They got married on 8 June 2019. The couple has been together for the past 4 years. And as of this year 2024, Johnny Silver is 33 years old. Number 66, Harley Cameron. Harley Cameron husband name is Daniel Vidot. They tied the count on 22 October 2022. The couple has been together for the past 2 years, and as of this year 2024, Harley Cameron is 26 years old. Number 67, Cutie Marshall. Cutie Marshall wife name is Caroline Fizio. They got married on 2nd May 2016. The couple has been together for the past 8 years, and as of this year 2024, Cutie Marshall is 38 years old. Number 68, Zoe Strickland. Zoe Strickland wife name is Jessie Elman. They exchanged vows on 8 August 2016. The couple has been together for the past 7 years, and as of this year 2024, Zoe Strickland is 33 years old. That concludes the list of real-life couples in AEW, All Elite Wrestling. For more AEW related content, make sure to subscribe our channel Wrestle Series Comparison. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more informative video, hit the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel Wrestle Series Comparison, and tell us your favorite topic name. I will make a video for your suggestion for your favorite topic. See you in the next video. Stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.